Hey everyone, in this video here, I'm going to show you how to calculate mortgage payments using the PMT function in Excel. For those of you guys that don't know me, my name is Daniel Kwachi with Skyfield Finance. We partner with entrepreneur real estate investors to help you raise capital to purchase, refinance, rehab, and develop real estate. As always, links in the description. So here we have a spreadsheet with a list of different interest rates. All right, we also have the length of years, and then we have our loan amount. All right, so as mentioned, I'm going to show you guys how to calculate the monthly payment using the PMT function. So let's say you're an investor and you're getting ready to take a loan on an investment property for a loan amount of $400,000, and you want to be able to calculate your monthly payment. What you're going to do is you're going to come into your cell E3, you're going to type in the equal sign, then type in PMT for us to pull up our payment function. You'll notice that Excel is going to have a drop down for our payment function. You'll click the payment function or double click it and you'll have that open parentheses. Next, you're going to want to go ahead and punch in the rate. So you'll see here, once you choose our payment function, the information that needs to be put in order for us to calculate the payment shows up here at the bottom. So the first thing we're going to need to put in is our rates. Now, as you guys can see, for this loan, the rate is going to be 5.5%. So what we'll do is we'll click into B3 and we'll get our rate. Now, this interest rate is going to be the interest rate for the entire year. And being that we want to get our monthly interest rate, we're going to take the information in cell B3, or the interest rate of 5.5, and we're going to go ahead and divide it by 12. /12, and then we'll type in comma. The next information we're going to have to put in is going to be our periods. All right, so our net periods. So as you can see here, the length of this loan is going to be for 30 years. And similar to our interest rate, the length of this loan is going to be for 30 years, but within every year, there's going to be 12 payments within every year. So what we'll need to do is we'll have to take the cell C3 and multiply that number by 12. And then we'll put in a comma. And next, we want to go ahead and put in our loan amount. And our loan amount is going to be the information in cell D3. So I'm just going to type in D3, and then I'm going to hit enter. And you'll notice here, we now have our payment amount for this loan. Now, of course, we have these other scenarios. You could manually come in and put that information in, or you can just come to the bottom right-hand section of this cell, and you'll notice that there's a square box over there. You can just click and drag it down. And once you click and drag it down, the formula is going to be carried automatically, and that's how you would see your monthly payment. All right, so that's the process for calculating your monthly payment using the PMT function in Excel. I hope you found this helpful. As always, links in the description, and if you have any questions, please just jump in the comment box. Thank you and take care, everyone. Bye-bye.